Alright, Dylan's going to bat first.
Doing it this time because look at what happened.
Yeah, he got all wet from it spiraling off.
We did the Sprite, the little can, the first time.
Alright, it's nearing to get dark soon. We were going to use the airsoft gun and shoot the water bottle at a later date.
I was just worried that my dad would
Dylan's got to go home soon.
Okay, let's go.
Oh, we good?
Yeah, I didn't know if my dad texted me yet.
What time do you have to be at home?
I don't know. That's why I worried a little bit.
Oh.
But we're all good. He didn't text yet, so.
Okay. Did it work?
I don't know. Here, take another.
It's going, yeah.
Did it go in? It didn't burst.
Well, but the wrapper did.
These are weak as frick.
Where's that going? Alright, well, we're picking up now. Dylan's leaving. He's got his hoverboard. And we just need to pick up the place now.
Oh my gosh!
Can you hear me with that?
Oh,
Look out, look out.
It went,
I'm gonna smack this guy.
Dude, it went all over you. Oh!